Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
High Range Rural Development Society, Limbakastar Graha Tribal Housing Project, Hakakat Nyotri Ujulio Arajar Arpusan, Klapin Manapat Ba Bakan Pynshna, Shilak, Lepusana Jar House Pat Liki Ïing Nakabentagi Buruki Baduk, Nakibaduk Tam, Hakalenkish Nong, Jongajla Meghalaya, Kibamdan Yaka Ïing Shong, Kwapaka, Kabayadaya Ki Najing Show Uslap Kal Air, Barkasngi. Assistant Project Director Meghalaya High Range Rural Development Society Dr. Hdrs Mersing habakaran haganiga skmi rayatho bagajing Pynshna Ïing yipat ba kan long bagajing sulok shua bakinoy lam shnong kinoy lam hakirat bat kihima bat wat kinoy lam balang kanang baki beri bedai hok kinyo yaka Ïing kabaon mang daka society. Hakajing alang belapin mena yakiniga project hanong ba shilong lasa kilang dus im khana kahima nong klau pa im kes tobel manik sim le ublalong kumukong san ringkar kajing don lang kanong mi khman jong ka High Range Rural Development Society the New Delhi bat Kerala bakintop yakasari tha pi menon usaji karuna karan uswaraj ke RG ka juhi pal u animesh sanha ki contractor bakinong shakhot ngobha.
I'm very glad to be here to cut this ribbon today to declare this office of HRDS India Meghalaya branch to be open. So I'll cut this and declare open.
I don't care, I did it. Yes, I
Kadai ka jingmu jungi Pynshna ya ka Satgraha Tribal Housing Project apo ka jila Meghalaya jungi Kumbashila Lifesan Hajar Sauspa Deling in Seshna Let's say kan Shimpor Mata Sansnem Posnem Kasansnem Hadu ar Posnem Kane paro ngidai ban ai ka jing yaro ya piki kontraktor paro ki badon hangne ngasngungu bapilawan bapila shim ya kene ka khia ka shan kabangin lech ki pai ba nung chung snong jong gari kasi jantia jongi bat garoru bangin snai Ïing gisam na ki benta ki baduk tam ngimdai ban khen ne ban nyau ya kaniam ngimdai ban khen ki political party ba pher henry ngin jit ngin yai rengkat bat kirang ba snong bat ki snong gi thau bat ki nong ya lam ha ka balang ru bat ki nong ya lam ha ki raj ha ki hima nang bangin tray bantai bangin jit hisya gi baduk nang baduk tam kandon hi ka jing kloi kandon hi ka jing state ro henry gi apo jela Meghalaya gi ka jing long dum suin beneng kalong kumne te henry ya tray lang rangkat bangi bangin ya tray lang bat hi in ya lang syagi pai ba idon kam ya gabor jong bari ubaria bangin empower ki lada dei ban thung ding nak benta ban bahai ga mai mariang ki judging thung ki ban long ki jingtung ban snadawai kuman ong no ban empower ya ki samla nak bentak ki sports ki club of hair ban shna ki rehabilitation center dan ki rehab center kuma kajia hapo jela jungi menta ba ka jing bun plat jong ne brok idon kam maha ban wanra kum kine ki project ro tena ka benta bangin maintain nak benta kine ki ban le ki waste management bangi I hangne idon kam ma ban le kita ki bro Tengidon kam kuma pi kontraktor kawan menta kasi ni ai gini sumu ya ublai ni ai ro gajing ya ro ya pi ba kilong ki baslur bangin ya trailang nak benta kan ke project jong ka HRDS India nak benta kan ka way ke bangila shim hakmat ka Satgraha Tribal Housing Project Pynshna ki Ïing gisam nak benta ki baduk
I would like to tell something about our HRDS India. HRDS India is a registered NGO which has been established in the year 1995. We have so many other projects which is ongoing still now, but one of our core or the prime project is our Satgraha Tribal Housing Project. Our project is still running in Odisha, that is with the help of the mining ministry over there. we are constructing 10,000 houses in Odisha, and we have constructed 900 houses in Kerala also. And now we are spreading our hands. We are extending our hands of help to each and every states and small districts also, where we are focusing the tribal people and also the SC people also, we are including in that one. And I am thanking our contractors first of all, because they have come up to HRDS and they have done the contract and they have signed the agreement with us. Not only for 1,000, it is for 2,000, 3,000 houses they have done. That means I came to know about Meghalaya, how supportive you people are here. That you want to do something for the tribal also, which is a good cause actually, and let our Almighty help in this one. So we thought like HRDS has to start an office very immediately here in Meghalaya, because we are supposed to start in Manipur and other Nagaland and other areas also, but we have just stopped that one, and soon we have come here to start in Meghalaya first. And our founder secretary Shri Aji Krishnan and Swamiji has to come here, but due to unfortunately other pre-committed programs are there, so they have to travel. So that's why they couldn't come to the opening of our office. So what we thought, our colleagues and our staffs in HRDS, we have split it, and so we thought we will come here, and they have gone to another. And for the foundation, this stone foundation laying ceremony, that time our Swamiji will be here. He will be blessing with that one. And soon, very soon, we are going to start our project here in Meghalaya. And it will be one of our prestigious projects also in HRDS. So building a house is not only the main objective of HRDS. What we are planning, it is we have to give a secure land. We have to give a better future for those people. That is what the aim and the mission of the HRDS.
I'm very happy to convey my message to the team of Meghalaya, who has take an initiative to bring this project to our state to promote the tribal people of our states. I've seen here a lot of different like promoting of tribal housing project, contribution of medicinal plant, empowerment of the women, and psychosocial holistic development, educational program, skill development program, traditional medicine research, youth development program, and non-conventional energy, multi-waste management project, nurturing champion, nurturing of nation. These are the most important projects which we are promoting to the Meghalaya people, especially the grassroots people in our states. So I do hope I convey my message that through your hard work, Dr. Hdrs and his team, I do hope that this project will grow from time to time to promote the traditional people, the tribal people of our state, not only here, but in different places of our great nation India, through this project of HRDS India, along with the team of Madam Sarita. And I do hope that through this project, India will become one of the great nations. So, may God bless you. May God bless the office which we have opened today. And may God bless to all the contractors who will take part to complete this project in a short time. And to each and every one of us, who take our hard work for development of our tribal people.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.